Hey everyone, this is the Hoover Air Steerable Vacuum, 70 spots at $1.75. Copy our list. Go live. 9:20. 9:20. Paste our list. Roll our dice. We need a 7 or higher. It's 9:20. 6 is no good. 8. 9:21, 8 times. 70 items on the list. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 70 items on the list. Mr. Dara on top, Mr. Jason on bottom. Randomized 7 times. Dice calls for an 8. 9:21. Final time. Good luck, everyone. And Mr. Dara Ford Pittman is the winner in spot number 48. 70 items on the list. 8 times. 8 on the dice. Congratulations, Mr. Dara. We are done. 9:22. 9:22. Thanks, everyone.